Good day. Welcome to my channel, Ken's Hobbies. Today, a little shoveling to do, and my shovel's a little on the broken side, so I'm going to be showing you how I go about giving a temporary repair that we can make do for this winter. Last winter I put this strip on here, but plastic has been broken here and here where the most stress is. I've done this before and I had a little plate in here, but so we're going to make this a little better. What I'm going to do is get my old soldering gun out here and get a plastic tip off for it. That is, if I can remember where I put it. That's the next question. Did I put it in here? This is sure working a lot better for me now since I relocated these drawers. Those aside, and possibly needing them. Well, it's not there, and I don't remember where I put it. So we're going to do something a little different then. I'm going to melt some nails into the plastic. I tacked it here earlier. I'm going to start with this one here. We're going to melt it into the plastic. Heat it up and melt it in. This will give more strength. Okay, that's the first one in. I'll let that cool while I keep pressure on here. I'm going to straighten my tip a little bit here. A little too much pressure on it. Kind of took my tip a little out of shape, and just as I figured, tip was on the verge of changing. That's why she bent over. Okay, well, that was the last tip I had too. I have to work this together. Got another one here. Get one over here. Get a little plastic moved in, like so. Let this side cool, shape it a bit, Now the two plastics together here. This one can go down a bit more here. Okay, we're going to hold this nail now over here. I'm going to try to get a little bit of a bend somehow here. That's what we want. Perfect. Melt the rest in. Right, you gotta hold the gun upside down to make the tip contact. Come on, make contact here. Okay, I got two in. Not quite cool enough yet to let go of the pressure. What I'm doing at the same time is working the plastic around the nail here. I want to keep pressure here so that it cools down. Okay, now we're going to take this little piece of aluminum strip here, and we're going to put this like that. Somewhere I misplaced my screw gun, so I have to do it this way with the old hand screw. These are self-tapping or self-drilling screws, so at least it's plastic here. It helps with doing it by hand. Now we'll take the second one over here on that corner. Working out so far so good. And we'll get one screwed here. Hopefully I can find one, that is. We'll try this one. We'll shape it a bit. See how that feels. That's much better. Okay, now we got to take care of this side. What do we have here? Okay, we got another piece right there. Okay, this is a little thicker piece. Flatten this out a bit. I'm liking that. I think what I'll do is I'll cut a piece out of this. This is on an aluminum. Yeah. Get this going a little faster. Yeah, great. We'll get the old sawzall out. Reverse with the blade here. Much faster. Okay, we want that there, so we'll take it, put a little notch there. I'm liking that. That's what I'm wanting. Straighten this, flatten this a bit more. Okay, now we'll get a drill. I'm going to drill a hole here. My drill. The drill bit right handy here, so we'll just use this one. Which one did I want? I wanted this one. I found a little better screw than this tiny head here, so we're going to replace it. That's much better. Too much of a bend. Take a little out. I want to use this existing hole here. This one work. My 1/4-inch nut driver. My 1/4-inch nut driver here. Get a second one here. Oh, pulled it out. Okay. Interesting. Well, we'll have to. I'm due for a new shovel, but if I can just make this last this winter. I got no means. I still haven't got the car 100% together yet. I think that's what I'll do here. Go hole straight through the 2 plates here. Put a nut and bolt together on it. That's what I'll do. Get my computer can of bolts. What do we got here? Idea just came to me. Will this? Oh, an old hose clamp. Huh, yeah, why not? Thread down. Yeah. Will this come right out? That's the question. It should, theoretically. If it does, perfect. That'll work, provided you don't drop it to find it. Yeah, boy. That's just lovely. Where did it go to? Found it. Here, let's get this through the hole. Here, I just drilled it. I gotta make it a little bigger. Oh, I just had it in my hand. Well, I don't believe this. Oh, right there. Oh, lovely. That's just hunky-dory. Where did you come out at? Let's get this out here. Didn't realize this was so thin, just ripped on the other side. Come on, get in there. Now, get it long enough. That's the next thing. You gotta get enough on this other side to get enough threads to get the other end on. Doesn't quite make it. Should make it. We went on this side and did sunk it, kind of sunk this a bit. We might be able to succeed yet. The only way to figure things out is experiment. By experimenting, you learn whether you succeed or fail. I can't get one thread. Find a longer bolt. Ah, there goes my phone. Yeah, whoever it is can wait. Back. A longer one here. Get this as tight as I can. Oh, I'm liking that. Check that out so far. Much better. Now I can put a little pressure on that. Okay, I'm going to double nut this. My 3/8 nut driver here. And we're going to take this over to the vise here. We're going to shape the rest of this metal plate here. And we're going to put one over here. Put another long bolt in here. Got another long one. I'm still in the midst of organizing everything, so got everything moved around, and then mess with shuffling around. Put them anywhere. Well, by the time I find them, I'll have this done. It's a bit longer. Oh boy. Within a 1/16 of an inch out.
Missed it by that much.
Oh, I never did show you how to demagnetize. That's what we wanted. Okay, now to find a nut to fit that. I think I've got one right here by the looks of it. Soon find out. Yes, sir. 3/8 is too big. 1/4 inch is too small, so must be my 5/16. Okay, cut the excess off of this bolt here. Should be enough to break it off. Well, that's what I'm after. Okay, we've sure been having a lot of medical calls lately. Last few days. Well, I couldn't believe the last 4 videos I posted. I figured they'd have interest. It kind of blows my mind to see just how interested they were. The views shot up right over the 200 mark on the last 2. So thank you very much. I appreciate that. My former channel, I was more into the music on, the music videos in it. I was getting so many copyright strikes, that's why I got rid of the channel. When I had the offer come to me, I sold it. And I try to stay away as little as possible. Like I said, there was a lot of stuff in there, a lot of songs that I would have loved to have kept in there to make the full show, but to bypass all the copyrights is the reason why I removed them. So thank you once again. Oh, P.S. If anybody's interested, this wood lathe here is up for sale. I've got it advertised on Facebook Marketplace, and these are all the chisels that go with it. And we're going to include this tray. I'm asking $300 for a complete set. I'll never be using this wood lathe here, and my son told me go ahead and sell it. So if anybody's interested, and you can contact me. I'll put the information in the description below. And also still have stickers available, $4.50 each sticker. Thanks for watching. Do like, do subscribe, do comment. Till the next time, adios.